Good afternoon. We're gonna make a great cocktail right now. It's called the Sandy Fizz. We're gonna use our Sandy Feet Mango Cilantro Rum, 2 ounces. Make a very summery cocktail. We're gonna do 1 full ounce of strawberry simple syrup. Half an ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Now we're just gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. We're gonna serve this on a champagne flute. If you don't have one, you can serve this in a wine glass, stem glass. And we top it off with a little Prosecco, about an ounce of Prosecco. Cheers.